Morning everyone, it's Patrick French here, founder and director of the Berkshire Exchange. Hope you're all doing well out there. I'm really excited to bring you this video this morning. It perfectly demonstrates exactly how we help our clients to save a ton of money when it comes to making and receiving international payments and hedging currency risk. So before we get into the video, I'm going to ask a massive favor. If you're new to my content, there's a couple of things that you can do for me. So first and foremost, connect with me on LinkedIn, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and all of the handles are up in the description. Now, today it's a perfect example to show you exactly how we can add massive value to what it is you're doing in terms of your foreign exchange management. So without further ado, let's jump straight into looking at the charts. I'll just move myself down to this corner here. Now we can see we've got a chart of the pound versus the euro from a weekly time frame perspective. And over here is your 2016 referendum, where the pound sold off all the way down to 106. And ever since then, we've just consolidated sideways between some very key levels. So at the bottom of our range, we've got the 106 level, and up at the top of the range, we've got the 120 level. Now, between those two levels, we've also got some other significant levels. So we've got the 110 level here, and we've also got the 115 level. Now, why are those significant? Well, if we see along these tops here, the 115 level has acted as resistance numerous times. And also along the 110 level, we can see that there's been numerous support. So those are very key levels to keep in mind. Now what I'll do, I'll just switch down to a more granular time frame, which is the daily time frame, and I'll start to show you exactly how it is that we save our clients, especially within the last 2 months, a ton of money. Now, if you're an importer or you're someone that needs to make euro payments, perhaps to staff in Europe, you will have seen a massive benefit due to the fact that sterling has had a significant rally in the first couple of months of this year. Now, remember I mentioned to you the 110 level and the 115 level. Coming into the beginning of this year, the market sold off to just above the 110 level, and then subsequently took a very aggressive rally all the way up to 115. Now, our logic is very simple when it comes to levels. If we are below this 110 level, then we expect the market to head down lower. If we are above it, then we expect the market to head higher. Now, considering that we were finding support here at 110 at the beginning of the year, we had a price target of 115 for the next 3 to 6 months. Now, as you can see from this very aggressive trend that we have here, we've managed to hit this 115 level within literally a month and a half. So for importers, anyone that was looking to sort of buy 100,000 euros, you would be saving roughly £4,000 by buying up at 115 using our technical and fundamental analysis, as opposed to buying down at 110. Now, it's not just the support levels, we also marry fundamental analysis. Now, the fact that we had a Brexit agreement just before the end of last year, and we were rolling out the vaccine program at quite a speedy pace, led us to believe that investors would have a very risk-on attitude towards sterling, and that's exactly what has happened here. So over the past couple of days, we've been on the phone to our clients, letting them know, look, we're up at our 115 target, and now would be a good time to consider your options. And that's exactly how we save our clients a ton of money. I hope that all makes sense for you. Now, not very many brokers or banks will be able to give you this sort of information and this sort of analysis. So if it is something that you would like to discuss with us As I said, feel free to reach out to me on the socials. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, connect with me on LinkedIn, send me a message, send me a DM, and I would love to learn a little bit more about your currency exposure and to break down a couple of charts that you might have currency exposure to, and to give you some insight into where we think the currency markets are heading. So I hope you found this valuable, and I look forward to giving you more content in the future. Until then, have a fantastic rest of the week and look out for future videos.